Best Gifts for Valentine's Day 2026. Valentine's Day is creeping up, and the pressure to find something that doesn't look like a last-minute gas station purchase is real. I know the struggle, so I actually went out and bought 5 of the most popular contenders for the best gifts for Valentine's Day 2026. I wanted to see if the quality matches the hype or if it's just cheap junk. From custom keepsakes to jewelry, let's see what's actually worth your money this year. Product number 1. I Feel Rose Heart Initial Necklace. I started off with this I Feel Rose Heart Initial Necklace. Taking it out of the box, the first thing I checked was the chain quality. It's 925 sterling silver, and I was relieved to feel that it actually has some strength to it. It doesn't feel like one of those flimsy chains that snaps if you look at it wrong. The pendant design is really clever. I love how they integrated the letter right into the stem of the rose heart. It's subtle. When I tested the length, it sat perfectly at the collarbone, making it great for everyday wear rather than just special occasions. It doesn't scream costume jewelry. If you want something that feels personal because of the initial, but still keeps that classic romantic vibe, this is a really solid pick. It feels way more expensive than it is. Product number 2, Preserved Red Real Rose with Necklace. Then I moved on to this Preserved Real Rose box. This is definitely built for that big wow factor moment when she opens it. The rose inside is legit. It's a real flower that's been treated to last, and touching the petals, they feel soft and velvety, not like stiff plastic. Tucked inside the little drawer is the heart necklace. I tested the 100 languages gimmick where you shine your phone light through the center stone. Honestly, it actually works. It projected I love you clearly on my wall, which is a pretty cool magic trick for a romantic evening. It's a 2-in-1 gift that serves as decor and jewelry. If you're looking for something that sits on her vanity as a constant reminder of the day, this is the one to grab. Product number 3. Art Pix 3D Crystal. I was arguably most curious about this Art Pix 3D Crystal. When this arrived, the first thing I noticed was the weight. This is a heavy, solid block of crystal, not cheap, lightweight acrylic. I uploaded a photo to test the etching quality, and the result is honestly kind of spooky, in a good way. The laser etching captures the depth perfectly. When you hold it in your hand and turn it side to side, the 3D effect really pops, almost like a hologram frozen in glass. It catches the light beautifully on a shelf. Just a tip from my testing, pick a high contrast photo for the best results. If you want a sentimental keepsake that will literally last forever and won't tarnish or fade, this is the winner. Product number 4, U-Life Tote Bag and Makeup Bag. Switching gears to something a bit more practical, I checked out this U-Life Canvas Tote and Makeup Bag set. The canvas feels thick and rugged. I tugged pretty hard on the handles and the stitching didn't budge. It's definitely durable enough for a heavy grocery run or a beach day. The embroidery on the initial is raised and neat, with no loose threads hanging off, which is usually where these bags fail. I really liked that it comes with the matching makeup pouch. It makes the whole thing feel like a complete kit rather than just a bag. It's not the most traditionally romantic gift on this list, but it is easily the most useful. If she's practical, hates clutter, and loves staying organized, she's going to use this way more than a necklace. Product number 5. CDE Angel Wings Necklace. Finally, I looked at the CDE Angel Wings necklace. This one is definitely for the person who likes a bit more bling. Holding it under the studio lights, the crystals in the angel wings go crazy. It sparkles a lot more than the other jewelry I tested today. The heart in the middle is a good size, not too big to look gaudy, but definitely noticeable enough to draw attention. I fiddled with the clasp a bunch of times, and it's easy to open and close, which is a small detail that matters when you're rushing to get ready. It comes in a few tones, but the silver one I have here looks really crisp. If she loves things that glitter and wants a piece that stands out at dinner, this is the right choice. So those are my top picks for this year. Whether you go with the practical tote or the sentimental crystal, everything here passed my quality check. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices and grab them before shipping times get crazy. Thanks for watching, and good luck!